Okay, good morning students, second PUC students. Yesterday, completed the concept increasing and decreasing. Increasing and decreasing, this is the very important topic, mainly 2 marks question, maximum 99% to 2 marks question will come. Next topic, tangents and normals. Tangents and normals is the next topic. So, okay, wait. Okay, tangents and normals. Okay, look at this. Okay, tangents and normals. What is the tangent? For example, take one curve. A line touch the curve. A line touch the curve at any point. Touch a curve. This is the curve. This is the line. The line touch the curve at the point. That point compulsory must be touch the. Touching means one point is there. A curve, a line touch the curve at a point. That line is called tangent. This is called tangent. This is point of contact, tangent point. Normal means the perpendicular to the tangent. Perpendicular tangent and passing through the same point. This is called normal line. Okay, a curve, a line touch the curve at the point, at any point. So that line is called tangent line. That tangent perpendicular to the tangent is called normal line. Okay, so tangent and normals are both perpendiculars. Okay, tangent equation, normal equation. Normal equation nothing but in the straight lines in the geometry perpendicular. Normal is nothing but perpendicular. Perpendicular line is called normal. Perpendicular to the tangent is called the normal line. This is the definition. So, y is equal to f of x, any curve. Y is equal to f of x is any curve. So, dy by dx, derivative with respect to x, dy by dx at any point, the point is called P, and for example, say P. Dy by dx at P is called tangent slope. Minus 1 by dy by dx, at P is called normal slope. Okay, how to find tangent slope? The given curve, derivative with respect to x at P. Okay, normal slope means derivative with respect to x at P minus 1 by dy by dx is called the normal slope. What is the equation of a tangent? Equation of a tangent, y minus y1 is equal to dy by dx into x minus x1. Here x1 y1 is the tangenting point, touching point. So dy by dx is the derivative of that curve at P. So normal equation, y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by dy by dx into x minus x1. Or y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. This is called the tangent equation, where m is dy by dx. y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by m into x minus x1 is called the normal equation where m is dy by dx. So dy by dx is nothing but m is nothing but dy by dx. This is only 4 formulas only. The problems given any curve and point, curve and point, find the tangent slope. Find the tangent slope means the given curve derivative with respect to x at given point. Normal slope minus 1 by m dy by dx at p. Tangent equation y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. x1 y1 point are given and derivative with respect to x at p given point. These are only four. Problems are different problems, but concept is only tangent slope, normal slope, tangent equation, normal equation. Tangent slope means dy by dx, normal slope means minus 1 by dy by dx, tangent equation equal to y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, where m is dy by dx, normal slope is equal to y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by dy by dx into x minus x1. Here dy by dx is also slope, derivative with respect to x. Oh, this is this one. Okay. Let us go to exercise 6.3. Before we have to write some formulas. First write down the formulas. First one, the equation of the tangent write down the equation of the tangent at x1 comma y1, the equation of the tangent at x1 comma y1 to the curve y is equal to the curve y is equal to f of x, to the curve y is equal to f of x is given by y minus y1 is equal to dy by dx into x minus x1. Next, second one, the equation of the normal at x1 comma y1 to the curve y is equal to f of x is given by y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by dy by dx into x minus x1. Third one, the slope of tangent at x1 comma y1 to the curve y is equal to f of x, to the curve y is equal to f of x is dy by dx over m. Next, the slope of normal at x1 comma y1 to the curve y is equal to f of x is minus 1 by dy by dx. This is the curve, this is P, this is the tangent. Tangent line at P, tangent line at P, this is tangent line at P, tangent line at P, this is normal normal line at P, curve, this is the curve. Curve. This is the point, common point. Okay. See diagram in the textbook 207. Okay. Sunday, day after tomorrow, Sunday exam, derivative continuity and differentiability up to logarithmic differentiation, exam Sunday 20 marks exam. So all are will prepare Sunday exam. I will send the question paper in WhatsApp group. You will write the exam your own and check. You have to prepare perfectly Sunday exam. Question paper, I will send question paper anytime, but we have to prepare perfectly and we have to write exam perfectly without any copying. Check your own talent. This is what is my talent. The copy means no use. Okay, next exercise 6.3. This exercise maximum 50% important, 50% the one question maximum. The tough means paper tough means will give one question. Okay, exercise 6.3. First question, find the slope of the tangent to the curve. Find the slope of tangent. Find the slope of tangent to the curve y is equal to find the slope of tangent to the curve y is equal to 3x power 4 minus 3x power 4 minus 4x 3x power 4 minus 4x at x is equal to 4. Good. Derivative with respect to x. Okay. What is the slope of tangent? What is the slope of tangent? dy by dx. Derivative with respect to x to the given curve. So solution given y is equal to 3x power 4 minus 4x. Differentiate with respect to x. All are derivative. Application of derivative, each and every topic by the depending on the derivative, integration depending on the derivative. So anyone derivative, without derivative means there is no chapter, there is no value. So dy by dx, 3 into x power 4 derivative 4x cube minus 4 into x derivative 1, that is equal to 12x cube minus 4 at dy by dx at x is equal to 4. So 12 into 4 cube minus 4. 4 cube is equal to what? 12 into 4 cube 64. 12 into 64 minus 4. 12 into 64 can calculate. This is so that is equal to 764. This one. This is slope of the tangent. Next one. Next, second one. Find the slope of the tangent to the curve. Find the slope of the tangent to the curve. Y is equal to x minus 1 by x minus 2. Y is equal to x minus 1 by x minus 2. X not equal to 2. X not equal to 2 at x is equal to 10. X not equal to 2 at x is equal to 10. Maditra? You can do. So solution, y is equal to x minus 1 by x minus 2, u by v formula, derivative d by dx of u by v, d by dx of u by v equal to v square v into u dash minus u into v dash. This is the u by v formula. So u by v, dy by dx is equal to dy by dx is equal to dy by dx u by v formula, x minus 2 whole square v into x minus 2 into d by dx of u means x minus 1 minus u into x minus 1 into d by dx of v is equal to x minus 2. This is the u by v formula, that is equal to x minus 2 whole square. So x minus 2 into derivative of x minus 1, derivative of x 1, derivative of 1 0, minus x minus 1 into 1 minus 0. Okay, that is equal to x minus 2 into 1 no, x minus 2, x minus 1 into 1 no, minus of x minus 1 no, by x minus 2 whole square at x is equal to 10 no, at x is equal to 10 no. x is equal to 10, that is equal to x cancel, this is plus 6, this is minus 6, minus 2 minus of minus 1 plus 1, that is equal to minus 1 by x minus 2 whole square, that is equal to minus 1 by 10 minus 2 whole square, that is equal to minus 1 by 64, minus 1 by 64. Okay. This one. Okay, only derivative perfect means the totally maximum 90% perfect adu. Find the slope of tangent. Find the slope of tangent to the curve y is equal to the curve y is equal to x square minus x plus 1 at the point whose x coordinate is x coordinate is 3, whose x coordinate is 3 or 2. This is also same, but first, second, third problem, so directly given x is equal to 10 or x is equal to, this is the direct. So this problem same curve as the same, but x coordinate is 2 means what? X coordinate is 2 means what? X is equal to 2. Y coordinate is 2 means y is equal to 2. Y coordinate is 2 means y is equal to 2. So solution given y is equal to x square minus x plus 1, derivative with respect to x, derivative of y dy by dx, x square derivative 2x, x derivative 1, 1 derivative 0, so 2x minus 1 at x is equal to dy by dx at x is equal to 2, so substitute x is equal to 2, 4 minus 1 is equal to 3, so the slope of the tangent of the curve is 3. Next one. So fourth one also same as it is, fourth one homework. Fifth one, find the slope of the normal to the curve. Find the slope of the normal. Find the slope of the normal. Find the slope of the normal to the curve. X is equal to a cos cube theta, x is equal to a cos cube theta, y is equal to a sin cube theta. y is equal to a sin cube theta at theta is equal to pi by 4. At theta is equal to pi by 4. This is the indirect problem. This is the parametric differentiation in the derivatives, parametric differentiation. So first of all, solution given x is equal to a into cos cube theta. A into cos cube theta means a cos theta whole cube. Differentiate with respect to theta, not with respect to x. With respect to x means theta 0, but no use. With respect to theta, dx by d theta is equal to a is a constant. Cos theta whole cube is which type of formula? X cube. What is the derivative of x cube? Derivative of x cube is equal to 3x square. 3 cos theta whole square. 3x square into derivative of x. X means what? Cos theta. So that is equal to 3a cos square theta into derivative of cos theta minus sin theta. At theta is equal to pi by 4. So cancel next y is equal to a sin cube theta is equal to a sin theta whole cube. Differentiate with respect to theta. Dy by d theta is equal to a into x cube 3x square into derivative of sin theta is equal to cos theta. So finally dy by dx is equal to what? Dy by d theta by dx by d theta. Dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta by dx by d theta. Dy by d theta 3a sin square theta into cos theta. Dx by d theta is equal to, so 3a cos square theta into minus sin theta. 3a cancel, 1 cos cancel, 1 sin cancel. ఇక రిమైనింగ్ మైనస్ remaining 1 sin 1 cos minus tan theta. So minus tan 44 degrees, that is equal to value minus 1. With respect to next problems, in t cos cube t cos t 2t square 3at square, this type of problems we have to derivate with respect to t. Theta means with respect to theta, in terms of theta, function in terms of theta. So with respect x with respect to theta and y with respect to theta, and finally dy by dx is equal to what? Dy by d theta by dx by d theta, and cancel, and remaining function substitute theta is equal to pi by 4. These are given. So this is the second model of the normal, slope of normal. So what is the dy by dx? So finally what is the dy by dx? So dy by dx minus 1. So the slope of normal, the slope normal dy by dx means what? Dy by dx is equal to tangent slope. So we have to calculate tangent normal. Okay, slope of normal. Slope of normal is minus 1 by dy by dx. So minus 1 by minus 1 is equal to 1. No, minus 1 by minus 1 equal to 1. No. Okay. This is one of the type. So today only tangent slope, normal slope, only to tangent slope, normal slope. Tomorrow some more of tangent slope, normal for different problems and equation of a tangent and equation of a normal type questions. Okay, so I will continue tomorrow. Thank you.